You got it, Stinky. You got a little Stinky. Okay, so what we have is one of Amazon's little cheap toy bags. A tunnel, really, I think that's just giving him a combat zone, I think, but we'll find out on that one. It's only about 14 quid. It's literally just meant to give him something new. It's all plastic, obviously, all cheap, but if it lasts a month or two, I'll be happy. It's just for the time being to try and get these two now a bit more interactive with each other. I mean, straight away, it's already working because they're not even thinking about anything else. They just enjoying playing. They both just went in the tunnel. So that's good. Ripley's straight on it. Ripley's like, what have we got? Let's have a look, Ripley. Okay, so plastic ball with rattler. Bells. Nice spongy ball, solid ball. Little mice. Never understood that one. That's plastic. That will probably get chewed. So they're not going to have that one. Yeah, proper plastic. My hands are dirty because I just finished work. Work, yeah. I have washed them, but some dirt is just ground in oil. Hey, buddy. That one, I thought you'd like that one. That's quite nice. So yeah, overall, in terms of review, it's £14.14. £14. You can get cheaper ones for about a tenner, but in truth, it's what it is. Right now, the very fact that these two can literally be there more interested in the toys than chasing each other makes £14 well spent. What's a Laura there? Oh, Laura, do you want a mouse? Laura, there you go. Now he's worked out, I could just jump out there. I'm back in again. Don't do what I think you're going to do. See, I bet he starts chewing that. Believe anything you want, buddy. What are you doing? See, the springs are a bit like lasers. Cats really do like the springs. I think it's the way that they move on the floor. Laura's now just like, oh, give me the plastic. I'm cool with the plastic.